Hi, thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. What we're going to do here is cover the Workspot design concepts. So this playbook is intended for MSPs, partners, and customers that want to deploy Workspot, anywhere from a simple lab environment to a full-blown enterprise solution. So what we'll do here is walk through the fundamental design concept and show you how it'll scale out. So this is that hybrid design concept that I was just talking about. So as you can see here, the only difference here is now we have to reintroduce the enterprise connector and we bring in the Active Directory services. We can host this in a different box, but again, if the AD DNS is in another location, we can just peer out to where that needs to go, and we'll cover that a little bit later. But everything else remains the same. Nothing changes. So again, the summary here for this type of concept is we need both Entra ID for IDP, but we still need some Active Directory for the cloud desktop and cloud app directory services. And the rest is all the same, community.workspot.com. And if we look at this, yeah, it could be a standard design for MSPs and partners. I would say it'd be more common for partners taking care of customers and customers themselves. MSPs might not want to do this one, but they certainly can. Certainly within the scope of what can be done. So now if you look down here at the supported public clouds and private clouds, that puts everything back into scope as far as being able to scale this out to these different environments.